Binidyo pa ha?
Game na! King Kong Kalikot! Akitis in the house.
King Kong Kalikot is in the house, yeah.
It starts with
Watching, I don't know why. It doesn't really matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I decide to try to explain in due time.
all I know.
Time is a volunteer. Watch it fly by, it's a pendulum swing. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock ticks like a waste. Then you look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Try to hold on. You didn't even know the way to get it on. Every time I try so hard
And yet so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I have to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
watching, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind and try to spend it through time.
I try so hard.
Turn away to remind me, acting like I was part of the problem. Remember then, coming down again, coming back.
So unreal. Watch it back over out my window. Try to hold on. You didn't even know I was in it wrong. Once you go.
Dig inside, even though I try, you know about far. No one wants to leave me, I bet you leave me a memory every time I try so hard.
And yet so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I have to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
I tried and you was just far as I can go. For I live, there's only one thing you should know.
I put my trust in you. Push as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
Yeah.
Salamat.
King Kong Kalikot and Troy is in the house, yo! Peace out!
Ang YouTube yan din. Sinama mo pa sarili mo. Okay na. Okay na eh. Ano yan? Ano yan? Tayo. Sabihan?
Hindi maganda, pangit ang malungkot, maganda yung masaya.